Where is this all going? You're just taking a moment. Pause and take a moment to see where the hell is life going. If you are someone who's been jumping from one passion to another, trying to find satisfaction and fulfillment in life, trying to find that one core purpose of your life, what is the purpose of my life? If that's one of your questions and you haven't still found it, and you have tried and tested many different activities and thinking they are your passions and still lost, then this video is for you. Hi, I am Shom and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about identity shifts, self-concept glow-ups, and any practical, easy manifestation tools. Today's video is called Identity Decluttering. What that means is that we are going to take an inventory of all the identities that you have been carrying all this time, all the fake identities, the fake ID cards in your wallet. We are going to pull them all out one by one, and we are going to look at which card carries our true signature. We are going to follow 3 main steps. Step number 1 is we are going to list everything that we currently do in life. This is going to be a reflection time for you, where you will look at all the things that your current self does, whether it's going to the gym or cooking, playing with kids, painting, singing, walking the dogs. We are going to list everything that you do in life, because if you want to find out who you are, just track what you do. The second step that we are going to do is we are going to call it out as an identity. So we found the activity that we are doing. If you love to drive, then the identity with that is that I am a driver, an identity that goes with the activity that you're doing. If you love cooking a lot, you are a cook or a chef. That's the identity that you are connected to with that particular task. The third step that we are going to do is ask ourselves the question that if I was to do this activity for the rest of my life, yes or no? As simple as that. These are the 3 main steps that will get us to the point where we have shortlisted all the identities that bring us joy, that we would actually want to do for the rest of our lives. All right. So to get to the core purpose of your life that brings joy to you continuously, every single day, 24/7, you wake up and you want to do it. That's the purpose that I'm talking about. For this exercise, we will need a notebook and a pen. I will tell you this, that I have been doing so many different things in life. Sometimes I'm selling woolen coats that I would import. Sometimes I would put up jewelry store. At one point I was a stylist. At one point I was a dietitian. Can you see the different spread of all these different careers, none related? But I never gave up. So I've been doing that all my life, and I'm 50 now. And I finally found the purpose, the magnetic field, the core of me, which drives everything else around me. And I want to share that with you. The joy that I have got and how I have got to this point is why I'm here today. If you're ready with your paper and a pen, we are going to make 3 columns. Write down on the first left column, what are you doing in your life? All the things that you're doing is actually a reflection of who you are. I don't even need to ask you. If I shadow you and see the things that you do in life, if I follow you everywhere around, I can actually tell who you are. We will always do things according to who we are. I'll tell you mine. I do styling, I clean and organize the house, go to the gym, I go for walks, I do my meditation. Take a list. Mine was really long. Your column 2 is now you are going to give this verb or this action name or an identity. For example, if I am styling, then I am a stylist, right? When I do home organizing, I'm also recording it. I'm also posting it on my Instagram, or I'm making a video out of it. When I am making a protein-packed meal, I'm recording it. You know what I mean? Do you see where I'm going? I've been following Belinda Celine for almost 20 years. I have followed her to the T. My life looked completely like hers, the home decor and everything. So I was being Belinda Celine. She was my inspiration. You become your inspiration, isn't it? You embody that identity completely in you. When I am decorating my planner, I was being identity of Belinda Celine. If I am making protein-packed meals, It was not about making the meal at all. It was about content. So I was always very conscious of this activity turning into a content for YouTube. Now, the third column, you are going to answer this question in yes, no, do I really want to be this? Think. Do I really want to be this? Think. So I did think, and I wrote down, I style people, therefore I'm a stylist. Do I really want to do this? It was a straight away no. So what went in my head when I answered this question is, do I really want to be this? Is it going to give me long-term joy? Does it bring me joy when I style people? I've learned so much. I'm very good at it. I'm really very good. I'm not boasting. I am good at it. But do I want to make that the purpose of my life? For some people, it is the purpose, of their lives, and you can see them and yes, they are stylists. But it wasn't giving me that joy. You know why? Why did I even pick it up in the first place? Why was I even doing it in the first place? If it was not bringing any joy to me, why did I pick it up? The reason I picked it up was external validation. I wanted to be seen as someone. I wanted to be like someone because I believed somewhere I am that. But that was misconception. That was a wrong self-concept. And sometimes we don't even do this exercise and we operate in the wrong self-concept, and the entire life goes away living as someone else. So in today's video, what you're doing here is you're finding your authentic, true signature and removing that fake ID. If I was making a protein-packed meal, I'm creating content. I'm being a YouTuber. So that was the identity that kept coming back to me. Whatever I was doing, I was creating content for it. Do I want to continue to create content? Yes. Very much yes. Resounding yes. So I found that this was one of my core values in life that brings me so much joy. I can do it without money. I can do it endlessly. I can do it hungry. So today's video is going to be the first step in discovering what your purpose is in life. Till you don't take a hard look at where your life is going, you do not take an inventory of your life's trajectory or where it's the path that you are on, there is no point, because you don't know where you're standing, right? Even in the GPS, you need to say where your location is and then the destination, and then it gives you a path. But if you don't even know where you are, pointless to say that it's not going to work, right? So people go and do the identity shifts and all of that, and I teach you identity shift here. But the shift is from point A to point B. So you have to define or know exactly, pinpoint on the map where you are at. And this is the first step of finding that where you are right now. Once you find your purpose, then you find the core magnetic field of your being. And once you have found your core purpose, everything else orbits around that purpose. And this one exercise is only to find out what brings you joy. What is that activity that brings you joy? When I did this exercise, it gave me three top values, which brings me joy. Number 1, content creation. Number 2 is connection. Number 3 is health. Those are my 3. But these are not my purpose in life. My purpose in life is to help people, is to share God's words to people, to show them who they truly are. I am so passionate about that. Look who you are. Look at the divine in you, the divine I am in you. Anything you add after the word I am becomes you, right? And it is so powerful. From my own life experiences, I can tell you this. And that is the purpose that I have derived. That was the gist of everything in today's video, is to find the magnetic core of your being, to find the purpose of your existence. And once you find that, everything else revolves around it. You've got so many skills, so many talents, you want to do so much in life, and everything will now fall in place. Everything will now get connected to the one core purpose. So I hope that this video has helped you, and I'm so thankful that you're here, and I really love you, all of you, and I cannot wait to see all the great creations that you can do after you have completely decluttered your identity and you've taken inventory of where your life is at, and now you see everything very clearly. And now from here, it's only going to be upwards and forward. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, bye bye.